Alright, so today I'm going to go over my Megaminx color scheme and why I think it's better than the standard color scheme and the thought I put behind it. So let's get into it. So let's first take a look at the standard scheme. So here I have again Megaminx in around white, and then we have green going counterclockwise. You have red, blue, yellow, and purple, and then opposite white we have gray, and then starting on green going counterclockwise again we have light green, pink, cream, light blue, and orange. And it's okay, you can get fast with it. People use it, I guess. But there are some problems with it and optimizations with it you can do. For example, pink and orange, that does not contrast especially well. And this cream color could be confused for white in certain lighting conditions. And then overall, a lot of people complain it's this side of the Megaminx is just too light. And then some people also don't like white and yellow being adjacent to each other. And then for F2L, you're introducing two new colors. So you have to readjust for the green X pair and for the green purple pair instead of green orange pair, and blue yellow pair instead of the blue orange pair, as well as creating an entirely new pair and color set to track for F2L. So this is my color scheme. So starting on white, and then we have the dark green going counterclockwise, red, blue, orange, purple, and then opposite white we have black, and then light green, pink, gray, light blue, and yellow. So let's start with the F2L. So this gets rid of yellow being beside white, which some people don't like, and it makes F2L more similar to 3x3. So if we start with orange, we have orange, and then it goes to blue, then it goes to red, and then green. So we only have to learn one new F2L color, and that being purple. So we have a green purple pair and a orange purple pair, and the reason I go in this direction instead of the other way is because if we put orange beside green, you would have purple beside blue, and I don't like how the two dark colors would look beside each other. I don't think that looks particularly nice, so that's why I have it in this order. Just so here I swapped yellow and orange. So that's one set of replacement. I just swapped yellow and orange around. Oh shoot, as you can see here. And it makes F2L more similar to the 3x3. So that's cool. Next, because orange and pink don't have as good of a contrast, let's compare that to yellow and pink. Sorry, these things are kind of awkward to hold. But as you can see, yellow and pink has much greater contrast than this orange and pink does. Can go to the side too. Now you can see the contrast is just a lot higher between orange and pink. And I can show that on a few different Megaminxes for different shades. Let me get a Yoo-hoo off the shelf. Yeah. As you can see, orange and pink has way worse contrast compared to yellow and pink. And then here, I think the balance of colors is a little better. We have not so many light and bright colors. We have black opposites white, which is nice for like OLL. It's a really obvious color. And then we have, instead of cream, so I take a black replacement kit or whatever. I replace gray with black, and then I take the gray pieces from the last layer and replace the cream. So now gray is less similar to white than cream is, in my opinion. Inserting lighting conditions, you can find me zoomer. And this could also be mistaken for yellow if you're like really bad colorblind or in really weird lighting. So yeah, and also I just think it has like a little better aesthetic, honestly. I think it's less like pastel-like. So that's just like preference, of course. I know some people also would prefer to have gray on the last layer and black in S2L. I don't think either matters. I've tried both, and I think both are fine. I just like black being on the last layer, personally, opposite white. But if you prefer it in S2L, you could swap these two colors as well. I think that would be fine. I might try modifying it, this color scheme, on a different cube just to test to have pink not adjacent to red, but I don't get bothered by it personally. I'm quite used to it. So yeah, there we go. That is my color scheme, why I use it, and the thought behind it. So maybe this was interesting, maybe not. But anyways, see ya.